Hello guys, and welcome back. In today's tutorial, we will be installing Windows 10 on my computer here. As you can see, X and is i5. You first need to have a USB bootable drive. As you can see, this is my USB bootable drive, and you will first need to insert the USB in your computer. Make sure it's powered off, well powered off. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to hit the power key. For my own computer, the power key is here. Need to, after you powered off, after you created your bootable USB drive, then you powered off your computer. Then the next step, you hit the power button, then continuously pressing the F12 key. As you can see, F12, pressing the F12 key. Continuously. Okay, I'll just power off mine again, then hit the power button here and then press F12. Here we go. Here is the boot option menu. You can see the USB drive. This is the USB drive that I have just inserted. This is bootable drive. As you can see, you can use the arrow key here, up arrow key down, to select your option. We'll be installing Windows 10. Then I have selected USB HDD mass storage option. You can see there. Then the next step, you hit enter. This is the enter key. You hit enter and give it time. Okay, here we go. Your Windows 10 has already been launched. As you can see, Windows. It just take just 5 minutes depending on your computer and the installed RAM in the computer, but it's just approximately 5 minutes. From here, you need to use your mouse. Can see, use your mouse there and hit next. Then you click install. As you can see, setup is starting. Here we go.